This how to 1 minute will show you how to find Cpanel login details. So if you're trying to log into your Cpanel but you forgot your Cpanel username and password, don't worry. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to find out your Cpanel login credential. The first method is if you saved your Cpanel login username and password before, then you can find those easily. To do that, open your browser and click on this three dot and click on Google Password Manager. And here scroll down and search for Cpanel. So click on your Cpanel and here you will get your Cpanel login username and password. And the second method is go to your hosting provider website. So currently I'm using Namecheap. So here's I'm in Namecheap and then you have to click on chat with a live person. All you have to do is just start live chat with the agent, explain that you forgot your Cpanel password and carefully describe that you forgot your Cpanel account username and password, and they will help you to recover it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.